Welcome all of you class. I am Durgesh Kumar Pandey. Class, I am going to explain a chapter in class 11 and the name of this chapter is Social Justice. Class, first I want to give a definition of social justice. What is justice? Class, according to your book, justice means well-being of all and giving each person his due is a justice. Class, what is the meaning of due? Due means कि every person is a human beings and everyone is a part of humanity. So there is a need to provide them some minimum acts like every person have a right equal opportunity of education, health, job, okay, and minimum which is available for everyone for a life with the dignity class. So this is a social justice class. The well-being of all and giving his due is a social justice class. Class, if we talking about what is justice, so many political thinkers giving their views, like from 2000 years ago, Plato was give his view about the justice. He was saying every human beings have a three. Welcome all of you class. Class, Plato was giving his view regarding justice. He was giving his view in his book Republic, and that is why his book Republic is also known as the concern about justice. Class, when Plato was giving their view in this book Republic, it also giving their concept what is a justice. According to Plato, he was saying कि every person have a three quality. First is the wisdom, second is the courage, and the third is the desires. And in every person have all the three quality, but one quality was in majority. So that person should work according to their major quality. Like a person who have rich in the wisdom, so he should be a ruler. Or suppose a person who is rich in courage, so they should be soldiers. And if a person is rich in their desires, so he should be traders or businessman. So Plato is saying that everyone work should according to their major quality and not non-interference in the others region is the justice. Okay class? So this is the definition of justice class. कि justice is doing your duty according to your interest, the according to quality which are in majority in your self, to work according to this and don't interfere in the others' work is the justice class. So this is the definition of justice, and the Plato's thinking about the justice is concerned with her morality class. The meaning of this justice is morality. Class, there are three principles of justice. First is equal treatments. Equal treatments for equal treatments for equal. Class, there are three principles of the justice. First is equal treatment for equal. The second is proportionate justice. Third is recognition of special needs class. The first principle of justice is equal treatment for equal. Class, in our society, everyone is equal. We are the part of this human society. So, if everyone is equal, so everyone is equal before the law. So, we should treat everyone equally. We should treat everyone the same. We should not discriminate among the people on the basis of gender, caste, religion, language, or on the place of birth class. According to this principle, people should not be discriminated against on the ground of class, caste, race, and gender class, and they should be judged on the basis of their work class and action. People should be judged according to their work and action, and not on the basis of the group by which to belong. Means people judge according to their ability, according to work, okay, not according to their family, according to their origin class. Means everyone is equal, and they are the part of human society. So they should have a equal opportunity, and we should treat equally everyone. Okay, class, we should not discriminate the people on the basis of caste, color, region, or on the basis of language. Class, the next thing is proportionate justice. Class, according to this proportionate justice, कि मतलब we should be reward to the people according to the effort of a candidate. Suppose in examination, in the same class, the same paper is available for everyone, and every student is eligible. They have a same identity according to their eligibility. The same question paper is allotted for everyone, but what the answer they are giving in their answer sheet, so according to quality of their answer, we should reward the marks. And the students who are not giving good answer, so he not got the good marks. So proportionate justice is saying that we should judge on the peoples according to their effort, who is doing more effort than another person. So we should judge on the people according to their effort. So we should reward according to the effort of students. The students who are doing hard work, give good answer, got good marks. Okay, class. So this is the theme of proportional justice. We should reward the person according to their effort class. Now come on the third principle of justice is the recognition of special need class. Class, in our society there are so many groups who are in the disadvantage, like scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward OBCs, and other backward communities, and the peoples who are physically disabled. So they are have a need to some more protections. So we should recognize the special need of such a candidate according to this we should treat everyone. Okay, means when we are rewarding, yeah, when we are giving opportunity, or when we are taking any thing in implement, so we should be careful about the special needs of some people, or some section of our society, like a class. So the class, the peoples who are in the related to disadvantaged groups, so we should understand the special needs of such a people, and our government provides some reservation in the jobs for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and OBC, and also the physically disabled peoples were also got the opportunity in the different uh, government job in the field of education and some other fields. So we should that is why that is because the government understand, government recognize the special need of some section of our society which was alienated, which was backward in the got the benefit of education, health. So our government recognize the special need of some person. So this is the principle of justice, according to which the government should plan their planning, and provide some relaxation to such a groups which are not got the opportunity of education, health, or employment. So our government provide reservation class. Next class, just distribution. In this, social justice also concern the just distribution of goods and services. Okay, whether it is between the nation or between the different groups and individual within a society. So there is a need to distribute the resources which are available in our country according to principle of justice. Okay, because if there is a gap between rich and poor is too much, so this society would not be called a healthy society, because some resources were occupied only by the some people, the measure of the resources occupied only by the some peoples, and most of the population was living lack of resources. So it is not good for the society. It is not healthy for our society. So we have a need to special attention this कि we should distribute the resources among the people on the basis of requirements, or according to principle of social justice, कि we should proportionate justice, the principle of recognition of special needs, and equal treats equally. Okay, so we should follow the principle of social justice in distributing the resources among the people and the class. One more thing, कि constitution abolishes the practice of untouchability to promote social equality and ensure that the people belonging to the lower caste have access to the temple, okay, jobs, basic necessary like water. Different state government have also taken some measures to redistribute the important resources like land in a major fair manner by instituting the land reform. So our government is doing more to make the society healthy. Our government was make the Hindu Succession Act. According to this Hindu Succession Act, women's were also got the right to property in their parents' property. Similarly, our government provides some jobs, reservation in the jobs for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and OBC. So this is also the just distribution of resources and services among the people. Class, if you are looking the history of India, you are find the lower caste was suffering from the access in the temple, access in the जो public well, public pond, okay. So and the access in the safe drinking water, but now the government was making plan, making policy, and making law to assess of these backward communities or lower caste in every field of life. Now the untouchables are allowed in the temples, taking water in the from the public well or pond, and also they got the job in the government. Our government provides some reservation, so the government will try to redistribute the resources among the society. Basically, our government was very careful about the disadvantaged groups class, and our government was trying to give an important resource to the poor people. Our government was launches a Manrega, Mahatma Gandhi Narega, by which the 100 days of employment is available for everyone. And our government was launching so many program, work for food program to provide the welfare scheme to the society class. The next thing about the justice is the John Rawls theory of justice class, which saying about what is justice. So John Rawls was saying about the social justice that social justice is only available by the veil of ignorance. Class, what is veil of ignorance? First, veil of ignorance. Veil of ignorance. Class, what is veil of ignorance? Class, suppose if you asking every person what will be the possible position of a person in the next birth, so everyone is putting in the future in a privileged position, and someone's saying I will become a doctor, someone saying I will become a PM. So but it will be not possible technically. So what will be the ideal position for everyone to hope their possible position in the society should be good? So there is ignorance of wealth. Okay, the wealth is the curtain, and everyone would be want their position in a privileges. So if we ignore this veil, yani curtain, and if everyone suppose their possible position in the society should be like their basic needs should be fulfilled, कि हर आदमी का जो है नेक्स्ट जनरेशन नेक्स्ट बर्थ ऐसा हो जिसमें उसको एजुकेशन के अवसर मिल सके, हेल्थ के अवसर मिल सके गुड, तो दिस इज़ द मिनिमम थिंग विच शुड बी अवेलेबल फॉर एवरीवन. तो यही न्याय होगा, यही जस्टिस होगा कि वेल ऑफ इग्नोरेंस मीन्स अपने लिए जो हम लोगों ने अपनी स्थिति जो प्रिविलेजेस बना के रखी है उसको हम लोग इग्नोर कर दें और जो पॉसिबल पोजीशन होगी वो सबकी क्या होगी, उसकी बेसिक नीड्स पूरी हो सके, रोटी कपड़ा एंड मकान ना, उसकी बेसिक नीड्स पूरी हो सके, उसको एक अच्छा हेल्थ मिल सके, उसके सर पे छत हो, उसको पहनने को कपड़े हो, मतलब बेसिक नीड्स सबकी एटलीस्ट फुलफिल हो, तो ये ऐसा सबका फ्यूचर हो। तो दिस इज़ द आइडियल पोजीशन। एंड जॉन रॉल्स वाज सेइंग कि इफ अ पर्सन इज एक्सपेक्टिंग देयर possible position in future, कि the basic needs should be fulfilled, so this is the ideal situation and this is known as the justice. So for this we should be eliminate the veil of ignorance. Okay, we should be follow the principle of veil of ignorance, कि we should ignore our possible privileges situation. Okay, we should accept the this thing, veil of ignorance. Class, a situation of complete ignorance about our possible position, okay, and status in a society is a veil of ignorance. So class, what is veil of ignorance? Again, I am discussing this, कि a situation of complete ignorance, a situation of complete ignorance about our possible position and status in a society, कि हमें अपने लिए कोई प्रिविलेजेस नहीं सोचना चाहिए। वी शुड, कि हमें एक ऐसा सोसाइटी सोचना चाहिए जिसमें सबकी रिक्वायरमेंट, बेसिक रिक्वायर, सबको एजुकेशन की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, गुड हेल्थ की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, रोटी कपड़ा एंड मकान एंड जो उसकी बेसिक रिक्वायर्स हो वो पूरी हो। तो दिस इज़ नोन एज वेल ऑफ इग्नोर। हम अपने लिए कोई स्पेशल प्रिविलेजेस ना सोचें, हम एक आइडियल सोसाइटी को इमेजिन करें जिसमें सबकी नीड्स, बेसिक नीड्स फुलफिल हो। तो दिस इज़ द आइडिया ऑफ वेल ऑफ इग्नोरेंस। क्लास क्लास आई एम अगेन गोइंग टू saying some dimensions of social justice. What are the dimension of social justice, class? This is your next topic, dimension of social justice. The first dimension of social justice is like a dimension of social justice. First is legal, second is political, third is social, and fourth is economic. These are the four justice dimension of social justice. Legal justice, which is available in our courts. We got the justice in the court by a legal procedure, by advocates. Everyone is present their side in the court, and judge was giving decision according to law of our constitution. So the justice which we got by the procedure of court is called legal justice. And political justice, like right to vote, right to contest election, everyone have a right to participate in the government affairs, is a political justice. Social justice, like everyone got the respectful position. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, language, and every should be got the equal opportunity in the society, class. And next is the economical justice, means right to livelihood is available for, and equal payment for equal work is available for equal payment for equal work, and working condition of a person should be good for everyone. Everyone have a right to livelihood, to earn their their basic needs like roti kapra and makan. These are the some economical got by the this is the concept of economical justice class.